Okay, I'm looking for a good detailer. Do you know anyone? Yeah. Red trucks, that's why I don't like them. They show the dirt. Unlike a white truck, not quite as bad. You can hardly tell. Well, okay, when you get on this side in the sun, you can tell a little bit. All right, Sunday morning. Off to the hardware store to do my order. We've got 1 or 2 driveways I've already gotten calls to clean up. We have been called off from doing the runways this morning just because it is too icy, so we're going to attempt those tomorrow morning. I still got wear left. All right, I said yesterday at the end of the day we had no issues. Well, I talked to one of the drivers this morning. Apparently we had a slight issue doing our charity work, and I see some oil here, but he said the plow was not turning to the right. So I don't know. So I got to feel, oh, maybe it's leaking right in that hose there. All right, let me start it up and figure out what's going on. Oh, man.
Oh, shit.
That's not good. Well, okay, I'm gonna plug this one in for 15 or 20 minutes and hopefully that will work. In the meantime, I'm gonna try this one because I need to fuel it. All right, jumper cables are hooked. Let's see if this makes a difference. To its max, and the other cylinder should be in all the way, and it's not. So what we have, the blade is straight now, but that's because somehow it's jumped whack. So I gotta figure out how to fix that. I think I found the issue. I think we have a broken bracket. bracket on this cylinder broke. That is my problem. Okay. All right, got it. Okay, this is what we have going on. This bracket right here broke. So he struck a, what did he tell? Oh, a speed bump is what he struck when he noticed the issues with this plow not turning to the right. So I think when he struck that, it also broke this bracket here clean. So I'm going to have to take the plow off, turn it over to get to that other bracket to weld it, and then get this one welded. Oh boy. Oh my God, plow down, plow down. Well, yeah, the plow's down all right. So here is the issue that we've got here. This bracket here kind of decided to take a break. And so that bracket mounts up there, and then this cylinder comes down and mounts in that bracket. And it should look similar to this one here. And that's what angles the plow. So I guess when that speed bump was struck, it broke that and then broke this here. And that is a clean break right there. So yeah, let me call the welder this evening and see if he can get down here tomorrow to get this thing going again. It shouldn't be too bad. I'm thinking maybe I should take these pins holding this part onto the plow part itself, and then we can maneuver that whichever way is easiest for him to get to that to weld it. He may be able to do it just like this. All right, I was gonna wash this truck. I spent a little time, not that much, a quick wash on the white truck, a quick wash on the 7120, only so we could see out of the windows tomorrow if we're gonna plow the runway. I've run out, it's getting close to the sun going down. I'm running out of daylight hours, and it's just gotten plain cold. The wind has picked up a little bit, so there's another day and a warmer day for that truck, so I'm not gonna wash it today. I think we've got a couple of warm days coming up this week. I've still got to use it tomorrow to haul the skid steer to do the runway, so no need to wash it a whole lot yet, but I just wanted to clean it up a little bit. All right, it's almost adult beverage time. Hey, we can see pavement on the runway. Well, no, this is the taxiway. We still have not done the runway. It is icy. It's 1:30. It's about 40 degrees, so the ice is starting to thaw. So I think, well, we're finished with the taxiways, so we're gonna, I guess, jump on the runways now. We've got 2 runways to do. One of them is clear. There was nothing on it, but there, about a third to a half of the other runway has ice on it. So we've got to try to do something to get it up. I don't know if we'll be able to. But we got 2 tractors up here going strong. I've got the welder on my other plow right now trying to fix that. This is one of the runways, and you can kind of see what we're dealing with here. So on the left side of the white line, we really don't have much, but on this side, just got some ice. And I can't do much with the skid steer but move what they've already plowed up. It's hard to get under this ice. And there's not a lot of traffic on this runway, but you know the government, we gotta hurry up and get it done. They would like to have this done by 3 o'clock, but I don't know if that's possible, just because this ice is not coming up. Okay, we were told we cannot leave snowballs on the runway, so this is what they're talking about, the snow that comes off of the edge of the plow. So the ice they can deal with, but I guess it's these clumps of snow that they can't deal with. So I'm just coming along behind the tractors. If any escape off of the plows, I'm just kind of pushing that over to the side. But it is finally coming up pretty decent now. Okay, job complete. These two tractors are headed back to the farm, and I'm loading up on the trailer and headed back to the farm as well. We just had the inspector come down and give us the A-OK that we are done. And it is, well, they wanted them done by 3 o'clock, and hold on, I can't. And it is 5 minutes to 3, so hey, we met the deadline. That's not bad. I didn't think we were going to, but we made it, so all is good. Well, it's been a long 3 days, but I think we've got everything cleaned up, plowing done, the salt has been spread, so I think I need to go out to dinner tonight and have an adult beverage. I think that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, we're going to bill about somewhere between $12,000 and $13,000 for the weekend, and only the one breakdown where the welder has completed the job. He came down today and got the plow welded up. I'll just have to put that all back together this week sometime. And yeah, that was the only problem we had. So all right. I guess I'll go take a shower and take the wife out to dinner and have an adult beverage. I'm going to say, see ya. See ya.